Howdy, y'all. Well, I just wanted to show y'all something here. When I do it, I was just gonna do this little thing on my gunsmithing screwdrivers, I guess you could say, or just my screwdriver collection that I use in here in my workroom. These Forester Bonanzas. I've got a set of these I've had since the probably 80s or something. I don't know. It's been a long time. I got them mounted on the side of my workbench or reloading bench, and I'll show y'all a picture of that. I'll insert that right now. So, next thing we got is a set of these dynamite Allen wrenches. They are precision ground, and when you put one of these into a good screw, you know it's inserted in there. There's no give or nothing. It's perfect. And then they got a set of these I don't know how you pronounce that, but they're made in Germany, miniature screwdriver sets, high quality. I mean, I've got this full set of these. They're on the wall. You'll see that seen that in the picture. So this is what I've been working with. I do have this Wheeler set here that I try to keep in either in my range bag or in my box with me while I'm cowboy shooting. I did go and pick up a set of the WIA metric Allen wrenches for a lot of your scope rings, are metric. So we got that set. I got the fat wrench to go with it. We're tightening up all the scope rings and stuff. Let me move this back over this way. And then it has a few drivers with it too. But like I said, it didn't have, I bought this and I bought the metric ones to do my scope rings. But one of my Bonanzas, Forester Bonanzas, broke on me the other day. And I was just looking on Amazon at gunsmithing screwdriver sets. I stuck one of them in my wish list, and the other day I came home, actually yesterday I came home, and I had one sitting on my bench. My wife bought it for me. Didn't tell me she was buying it. So we've been in here this morning cleaning my desk. I hadn't cleaned it in a while. It was getting pretty bad. I've got her all cleaned up now. So let's take a look at this new screwdriver set. So let me move the camera. Okay, there it is. Wheeler 89-piece deluxe professional screwdriver kit set. The ones I've had so far have been good. I mean, I don't know how good Wheelers are, but so far the ones I've gotten have been pretty good. So can't complain versus trying to go find some really, really expensive ones. So here we are. Got a guide to what's in what's pocket. That'll go up there. And there's the set. That's pretty neat. That's it's got two drivers. That way when you're working on guns that has several different screws, like the Colt Cattleman's I've been working on, you know, it takes a certain size for the grip, all the grip screws that are on there, and then you got another size that is for the hammer spring and the hammer screw. That'll work the same one. And then you got the bolt and bolt. There's some other. Anyway, there's another one in there. So you basically need about three different screwdrivers. So that'd be neat to have that. Plus I have my other one, so I can set it all up and don't have to swap them out or anything. But pretty neat. It's got a bunch of specialty screwdrivers in it. It's like Ruger Weaver. That's for the different scopes. I believe that's what that was. I read on it, but now I don't remember. There's a 1911 grip, whatever this M1 is, so something to do with an M1. There's a Glock screwdriver or something. Smith & Wesson rebounds, I think it's for a spring. Got hex, all different size hexes, no metric though. Torx, Phillips, and then all your different flats for different things. Yep. Wow, really surprised me. So very happy. Had to make a good spot for that. So time to clean off the bench, get it all straightened up. All right, well, just thought I'd share that with y'all. And thanks for watching.